Hi everyone. So in this video, I will be talking about Cognizant Genc hiring updates. Yes, we have some good updates. Also in this video, I will be talking about the latest Cognizant Genc interview experience. Okay. So we will be discussing about the interview experience as well. So make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, there is an update I'll just share with all of you. First of all, a huge congratulations who have selected for Cognizant. Okay, because yesterday I got this message, if you can see here. So clearly mentioned Cognizant LOI release. So I asked when you gave the assessment, 15 November technical and 27 November interview. Okay, so on 27th of November, he completed his interview. Okay, today, if you will see here, today it is 14 or what? Today it is, yeah, today is 14. So after, if you will look closely, after around 15 days, 15 to 16 days, they have released the final LOI. Okay, that means you are finally selected. So I said congrats. Okay, so if you guys are giving the interview, suppose if you have given the Cognizant Genc in the interview, please expect that within 20 days or by max within 1 month, maybe you will be also getting your result like this or LOI like this. Okay, and I hope definitely you guys will be getting selected. So this is the mail, if you can see here, your application in Cognizant letter of intent. Okay, this is the mail in which they have mentioned about the LOI. Okay, so this is released for the students who have given the exam here. But don't worry, if you have not received the LOI yet, if you have completed your interview for Cognizant, if you have completed your interview for Cognizant, okay, in the month of November, okay, please wait. They release the results in the phases. It can take up to 2 months. Okay, definitely they will start within a month, but it can take up to 2 months. So please wait carefully until you get rejection mail. Either you will be getting rejection mail or you will be getting LOI. Okay, if you did not receive the rejection mail until then, please don't lose your hopes. Now talking about the Cognizant Genc hiring interviews, first December. So for first December, the candidates who have completed the communication exam, this is the second phase of result. Cognizant 2025 fresher hiring eligible for interview, and many candidates got this mail for the Genc hiring interviews. Okay. Now, as I said, it is the second phase, and we need to like see if there will be some more phases of interviews or not. See, in the previous video, when they released the first phase, what I said with 100% guarantee that sure they will be releasing the second phase. Okay, now this is the second phase. Now, is it sure that they will be releasing the third phase? So sometimes they release the third phase. Okay, it can take little bit more time. Sometimes they not. Okay, so it is a 50-50% chance, 50% chance. But there is a positive thing that this time when they introduced this opportunity, it was a big mass opportunity. Okay, it was a big mass opportunity. So there are more than 50% chances that there can be a third phase as well for the interviews, because when many candidates actually received the on an assessment mail, also many Cognizant employees have posted on the LinkedIn that this is a official, also posted on the Cognizant portal, they have updated also. So there is a good chance that there can be the third phase also. Okay, now let's discuss about the preparation. If you have your interviews, okay, you have less time, and if you want to enroll in the interview notes, you can enroll. The price is only 200 rupees. So you will be getting a crash book here containing all the important questions, okay, which you should prepare in the priority. Then there is OOPS programming, STL collection framework, HR question, DSA theory, project based questions, CS fundamental, SQL queries, computer science coding sheet, pseudocodes output, candidate interview experience sheet. So all type of interview notes are available here for your preparation, which you can use for your preparation. Link will be in the description. You can use these notes for any company preparation, okay, for Cognizant Genc as well. If you have less time, and if you think that you don't have enough time to search the things, you want all the compilation, okay, so definitely a good compilation in the crisp manner you will be getting here. Okay, and if you want to prepare from the free resources, definitely you can prepare from the free resources. It's your choice. If you already have notes, if you already have the material, then definitely you can go with the free resources. But if you don't have enough time, you can choose the course. Okay, talking about the latest experience. Okay, So this is a very very latest interview experience for Cognizant Gen C. So first they asked about the introduction. Okay, again a very very common question. Then about hobbies, family. Okay, so these three general questions first they asked. Then they asked which cluster. Then they asked what is tuple and dictionary. So this is related to the inbuilt data structures. Okay, it's a inbuilt data structures of Python. So they asked these things. Okay, I am not sure the candidate is from which cluster, but maybe either he mentioned Python in his resume or maybe he is from Python cluster. I'm not sure about it. That's why I'm clarifying it. Okay. So what is tuple and dictionary? Then they asked about what is generator. So I will say it's a immediate level question because they asked to explain the generator with the examples. So generator is a little bit intermediate concepts. Then they also asked about deep copy versus shallow copy. So this is also a good question. Like many candidates are not aware about what is the deep copy, what is shallow copy. So it is also an intermediate level question. Okay. Then two SQL queries and one coding question they asked. Two SQL query, one is joins based two table join simple query. This is the candidate told me. What the candidate told me that there are total two tables. Okay, we need to join the tables based on the primary key and the foreign key. After joining the table, we just need to extract the data. Okay, this kind of simple query they have asked. Okay, second one is the advanced one, which is nth highest salary. Again, a very common question. They are asking this query to many candidates, which is nth highest salary. Okay, then a coding question which they asked. Okay, write a code to check if a number is a good number. A number is a good number if it's digit, not digital. It's digit. If it if its digit sum is equal to the number of digits. Okay, so basically for an example there is 111. So if you will see here, total number of digits are 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3. Okay, and if you can see here, the total digits are 3 and the sum is also 3. Okay, total number of digits are 3 and sum is also 3. So then that's why it's a good number. Okay, so suppose if someone asks if 2 is a good number. No, because the number of digits are 1. Okay, number of digits are 1, but the digit sum is 2. 13 is a good number. No, because there are total two digits. Okay, but the sum is 4. So if you will look closely on only the digits when 1 are the good numbers, right? Like 1 1 1 1 1 1 1111. Okay, so I think it's a simple coding question only if you will catch the idea, because the candidate told me that in starting he was little bit confused. Okay, like he did not immediately, because sometimes what happened now, it is a in-person interview, the question is very easy, but sometimes it doesn't strike in your mind. So he write the algorithm like he will be basically adding the digits, he will be doing the sum, but at last he understood that it is only the 111 numbers. Okay, so yeah, so this is the coding question. Then some normal discussions they had. Okay, some normal discussions they had. So this was the interview experience of the candidate. Okay, I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching this video.